জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
Why are you sitting like a stone now? Tell me. Why, Nan? Why are you punishing yourself? You are upset with me, right? Go on, say whatever you want to say to me. Say it. Don't stay quiet. Don't you understand that I feel so bad when you turn cold?
Why couldn't you believe me, policeman? Don't you call me your daughter? Dripto is right. I actually have no one who is my own. No one thinks about me. I thought you were my own. And you too.
I wanted to believe only on you, Nan. But the evidence and witnesses are saying the opposite. How will you prove that you are innocent, Nan? That you are telling the truth? Tell me, Nan.
I can't prove it to anyone, policeman. I have nothing to produce as evidence. But I trust Dripto sir. I know he will never believe that I'm a murderer. And he will stand by me so that I can get rid of this false allegation. Dripto sir! Dripto sir! I have to talk to Dripto sir. Please leave me, Dripto sir! Dripto sir, leave me, please. Dripto sir! Dripto sir! Please let me go! Dripto sir! Sir!
Nan, don't do this. It's not allowed to go away from a police van, Nan. It'll be dangerous, Nan. Come back.
Dripto sir!
They'll have to accept
Dripto
our
sir!
Accept them!
Accept
them,
accept them.
accept our demands.
Accept them.
Accept
Accept them.
Accept them!
Injustice.
Won't tolerate. Won't tolerate.
Injustice!
Accept them. Accept
I need to
them.
go to that shop.
Injustice.
Dripto
Won't
sir!
tolerate. Won't tolerate.
Injustice! Tolerate injustice!
Accept them. Accept them.
Demands! Accept our demands!
Won't tolerate. Won't tolerate.
Please let me go, Dripto sir!
Accept them. Accept them.
Accept our demands! We
Won't
won't
tolerate. Won't tolerate.
injustice! Tolerate
Accept
injustice!
them.
We won't tolerate
Accept them.
injustice! Tolerate injustice!
We won't tolerate injustice. They'll have to accept our demands. We won't tolerate injustice. They'll have to accept our demands. We won't tolerate injustice. 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 They'll have to accept our demands. We won't tolerate injustice. We won't tolerate injustice.
Dripto sir!
Our demands.
Listen to me, Dripto sir, listen to me!
Tolerate injustice.
Let's go.
Excuse me, I need soap, shampoo, and hair oil.
Hey, Dripto. Listen, you already have all those things at home and then you still want to.
It's not for me,
Then for whom are you buying all this?
for your sister in law. She has grown her hair long and luscious like mom. Mom used to take good care of her hair. And she doesn't do that. She always thinks about everyone but doesn't have time for herself. Somebody has to think about her, right? Can you please show it to me?
Are you buying this for your wife, sir? Any idea which brand does she use?
I don't actually know that. And you do one thing, you show me the best brand, okay?
Okay.
The one who has hair like mom should take care of it.
Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Brother. Listen, brother. Brother, please inform Dad. Inform Dad that his daughter has learned to play tricks just like him. I just blew Nan off. I just
Speak
did
softly.
it.
What are you doing? What if someone hears you?
Let them hear me. I don't care at all. Nayan is finally out of this house. I wanted only a day to drive her out. Only one day. But see, it didn't even take a whole day. Nayan is out before that. Brother, what are you thinking so much about? Now Nayan will rot in jail. Her whole life will be spent trying to prove herself innocent. She won't be able to get out of jail.
Jasmine, it's still not the time to celebrate.
If not now, then when will we celebrate?
When Dripto returns and learns that we have got Nayan arrested, what will happen? Have you thought about it? You think he'll sit and relax without doing anything? He'll try hard to get Nayan released and he'll do whatever he can to bail her out. And that will determine your future in this house.
You are afraid for no reason. Dripto cannot be the hero here, even if he wants. He can't open the lockup and take Nayan out. What is he going to do? He is going to hire a good lawyer. That's it. Brother, don't forget that. Nayan tried to commit murder. Murder. Attempt to murder. No matter how skilled lawyer Dripto hires, it won't be easy to prove Nayan innocent. Let's see what happens. And we'll... What is this? Why did you enter the room without asking?
I knew you were evil. But I couldn't imagine that you could stoop so low. You took revenge for your wedding being called off like this?
Did I take revenge?
Yes, you took revenge. But mark my word, you can't harm Nayan a bit even after all this. Nayan is right. Nayan says Lord is there. Yes, Lord is there. And your marriage with Deepu got called off because Lord is there. Deepu didn't deserve a wife like you. Remember this. As you sow, shall you reap, Jasmine. If Lord has called off your wedding, then Lord himself will prove Nayan innocent and bring her back into this house. Let Deepu come back home. Deepu will bring Nayan back. He certainly will.
Sir, should I put her in the lockup?
Please forgive me, Nayan. My duty is making me to put you in the lockup. We are absolutely bound by the law. I am helpless, Nayan. Don't cry, my child. I can't see tears in your eyes.
But I'm not crying for myself, policeman. I have Lotus Vishalakshi with me. But I'm worried about that man. Think about it. Dripto will get back home and I'm not there. Oh, what if something happens to him, policeman? I won't be able to save him. What will I do then, policeman? Tell me, what will I do?
What?
Policeman, how will I protect him? Tell me.
What are you doing, my
How
child?
will I protect him?
Don't do this, my child. Get up. Get up.
Policeman, can you please arrange for me to talk to him once? Please, policeman, just once. Trust me, I won't talk for long, sir. I will only ask Tripto, sir, to be safe, policeman. I will ask him to be careful. As I'm not there in the house to keep an eye on him, I'll just tell him to be careful. Will you allow me? Will you let me talk to him, policeman? Will your law restrict that too? Isn't there any exemption in the eyes of the law?
All right, let me see. Get up, I'll see. Get up. Wait.
Yes, please.
I'll call Dripto, okay? And let you talk to him. There you go. It's ringing. Talk to him. Go on.
Dripto sir, have you come back home? How are you, Dripto sir? I'm not there. Please take care of yourself, all right?
Nayan,
Father, where is Dripto sir?
Deepu has not returned yet. His phone is with me. I kept it until he returns.
Father, hasn't Dripto sir come back yet?
No, my child, he hasn't. You don't worry. We will inform him of everything once he returns. We'll discuss it with Deepu. And appoint the best lawyer for you. This is my verdict, Nan. Then we'll go to the police station to bail you out.
Father, please take care of Dripto sir. Don't let him go out of your sight. I can't do anything for him from here. Please protect him. Please protect him, Father.
You always keep chanting Nayan, Nayan. Nayan is proven guilty in front of everyone. Will you still talk in her favor? I could have died because of her. And you all are still trying hard to save Nayan. All right. Do whatever you want. And let me see how you are going to save Nayan.
No. We can't do it. You are right. If we could, the police wouldn't have taken her away in front of our eyes. But there is someone. Deepu. You all insulted Nayan and drove her away. Deepu will bring her back to the house with 10 times more respect than that. Mark my words. And he will pour cold water on your celebration. Let him come back.
Is it so? I also want to see how Dripto brings Nayan back.
There. Did you hear that? Deepu is back. See what happens now. Deepu! Deepu!
Brother, what will happen now? Dripto came back so early. If he tries to bail Nayan out before taking her to the court, it will be a big problem. And they will tell Dripto everything. What should I do now? Tell me.
Jasmine, don't panic. You were talking so confidently now. Then why are you getting so nervous? Listen, you'll have to think calmly, okay? I'm telling you, Jasmine, you will have to gain Dripto's sympathy.
You are right. I'll be back. Bye.
Jasmine! Why did Jasmine rush like this? What is she up to?
Dripto, listen, why are you carrying all this? Give these to me, I'll take them inside.
No, it just has shampoo, soap, and oil, so you don't have to worry. I can carry them. It's not a problem. Don't worry.
No, still, you're not well. Give them to me. I'll carry them for you.
It's Nayan's gift. Let me carry this.
Dripto is so strange. I don't understand him at times. He claims to have no feelings for Nayan, but then he got down in the middle of the road to buy things for her. And he didn't let go of the packet because he wanted to give it to her himself. Lord knows. Does he not understand what his heart wants? Or maybe
Nayan always chant the name of Lord so that everyone considers her innocent. If she always shows her devotion to Lord, everyone will think that she's vulnerable. Today I will also pretend to be devoted. Then I will see if everyone has sympathy for me or not. Fake worships and fake offerings. Jasmine, you're here. I look for you everywhere in the house. Yes, Aunt Durba. I came to pray for Dripto and his well-being.
Deepu has come back, Jasmine.
Dripto has come back. I'll go to him. I'll meet him.
Wait. Look, Jasmine, I know how worried you are about Deepu. But we have to act carefully right now. The situation is not in our favor. We have to play it cool. You understand that? Listen, Jasmine, right now we have to handle Deepu calm. I'm going to the living room and managing Deepu, okay? You come too, but remember one thing. Don't let Deepu know that Nayan has been arrested. Understand? And don't do anything which will let Deepu think that you were responsible for Nayan's arrest.
If needed, I will tell him that I am responsible for her arrest. Understand?